He, however, has not had much luck getting the correct leverage with his feet and a foot restraint at the end of the Strela boom to be able to utilize a different set of cutters, so he's now back to the knife itself.
Moved away. You know, there is something black visible here. And another layer, maybe? Is it hard? There is another layer, so I have to go a little bit deeper. Yes, there are two layers. One of them hardened, and the other is not so hard. Okay, so what about this metal?
Oleg.
Oleg, this is Moscow. Go ahead.
Скажи, а если мы поставим держатель, и ты будешь держаться уже задержать...
If we install the clip that will be a little bit higher, and you will be holding at this clip, maybe you will stabilize yourself more. You know, I don't want to go deeper with the knife. You know, of course, there is a black layer there. I think I reached the surface. Now somewhere here, 9 centimeters towards that side. Should I give you the knife? No, I will have to cut through here first. Recommendation from Moscow. So you will go from this ribbon of 5 centimeters. I have already done this. And then you will have to cut a little bit lower. Do you remember, Oleg? From the word ROSCOSMOS, you will have to count a few centimeters higher. 9 squares should be counted from the ROSCOSMOS inscription, and then you will cut again. Moscow inaudible. Yeah, but then I will have to go a little bit downwards here. So do I have to bring you down a little bit, Oleg? Yes. Let me take the scissors.
Олег, только
Олег, this is Moscow.
Хотелось бы прорисовать сколько сможешь длину, потому что у нас там кабели, я тебе напоминаю.
But you know, don't forget about the cables here. Well, I'm far from cables.
Yes, so we cut it a little bit further. Now please give me a clamp. Okay. Oleg, we still would like to ask you to be really careful. Can you cut a little bit deeper? Do you want us to cut further? Is that what you're saying? What you showed us, yes, this is a perfect pattern. We like that plan. Okay. Yes, right there.
миллиметров.
Можешь подальше, чтобы ты сдвинуть, да и все.
Ребят,
Guys,
5:43 за бортом.
this is Moscow.
Поэтому надо
5:43.
как-то близиться к
43. We are moving towards the end of the EVA. 5:43 is the time of the EVA.
Я просто отогнуть надо. Надо вам резать хоть.
Yes, pull it away because I want to cut it here.
Что хочешь? Тебе убрать? Смотри, Oleg.
Do I have to pull it away? Yes.
Смотри, Oleg. Так, дальше.
Move on.
Оттопыривай его.
Pull it away.
Может, поближе перенести, просто сюда поближе перенесем.
Okay, let's move it also a bit closer here. Okay, let's do that.
Я подержу ножницы и подкину себе.
I will hold the scissors and I will push you a little bit closer.
Есть.
Yes, it is working. There is an LED and there was no LED on my camera. Okay,
Отпускай.
let it go.
С камерой.
Ребят, пока снимаете,
Guys, while you're taking the video, I will give you our recommendations. So, Sergey, it's not actually, doesn't matter whether, I'm taking video from above or from below. Well, it's at your discretion.
Я просто как взял.
I'm gripping it.
Не зацикливайся на этом.
Well, Oleg, don't worry about it. I think we will have some video.
Сейчас надо попытаться
Now, our recommendations.
с помощью кохера взять образец вот того куска.
Using the coccus forceps, you will try to take a sample of the material that is sticking out. And after that, first use the sandpaper on the hull, and then inaudible.
Есть ощущение, что если я его подхвачу,
Yes, then you use this